Hi viewers, in this tutorial I will teach you another technique of Photoshop, that how we add our image in shape. First of all, we open image like this one. After that, we select the shape, click here, go here, we want this shape, and here we select the path. After that, press shift key for draw proper image. This one. Now one important thing, select move tool, open the lock, go to layer, vector mask, and click here for current path. Now only your image, your shape is visible, but now press alt key, create duplicate of this. Now click here, right click, delete vector mask. Now you observe that when we reduce the opacity, this image is visible. After that, go to original layer, FX button for drop shadows, increase the opacity. Now we decrease opacity and increase opacity. You observing the changing. Now okay. Now in front of you, very beautiful shape of leaf. This is a very basic technique. Now you can move this image from here to there, anywhere. This is the background for moving, and this is your original leaf image. If you want to save this image in Photoshop technique, and now we want to open the image, this one. This is a very great and beautiful technique which we discuss in this lesson. Thank you.